Hey guys, welcome to next video, and in this video we will be talking about messaging. So we will be seeing how messaging works in OmniScripts. So without wasting any time, let's start. Okay, so when do we need the messaging? So let's say the user is on a screen and you want to show him some message. The message can be a error message, it can be a warning message, or it can be a success message, anything, right? So at that time we generally use the messaging, and most of the times we display these messages based on some conditions. If it is not required, then we can get rid of the conditions and we can display the messages without any conditions also. Okay, so let's see how we can use the messaging. I have already created this OmniScript. So what we will do here is we will create a form. The form will have first name, last name, and date of birth. And what we will do is we will calculate the date of birth, and if the age is greater than 18 years, then it's fine. Otherwise, we will display him some message that age should be greater than 18 years. Okay, so let's do one thing. Drop one text. Drop one text here. It will be, let's say, first name. Then we can have another text for last name, and then we can have a date. Okay, it will be date of birth, and I will give it a label. Let me give a label of date of birth and name as DOB. And for this also, we can have last name. We are not going to use this first name and last name. We are only going to use the date of birth field for this video. Okay. Now we do have all these things here in our OmniScript. Now our next step is we need to calculate if the age is greater than 18 years or not, right? So for that, what we can do is we can use a formula. So if you search for formula, you will find it here, and let's drop this formula. Okay. So this formula is simply like like our Salesforce Salesforce normal formulas. How do we calculate, right? And whatever the formulas are available here, I will create a separate video for that. So for now, what we need to do here is we need to find out what's the age of the person who is entering all this information, right? So for that, we already have a formula, and it's called age. So basically it it gets a date. So our date was, if you remember, it was DOB, right? The field name for our date of birth was DOB. So basically what it will do is it will calculate, basically it will it will deduct the DOB from today's date, and it will tell us the difference in years. So let's quickly see how does it work for now before going to messaging part. Okay, so you can see this formula is null right now, and we can have, let's say, 2018, right? If I do this, you can see the formula is calculated at 2, right? And if we have something, let's say 2007, the formula is calculated as 13, right? So basically it just tells us the difference between the date in years. Okay, now, and we can definitely hide it from the screen so that it is not visible here. Okay, yeah, you can see. Now what we need to do is we need to show a message based on the age, correct? So what we will do is we will drop here something called messaging. Okay, now this messaging takes the name, which is the API name. Then it has a field label if we want. if you want to display any label for this field, but generally we hide the labels here. Then it takes an expression. So basically it calculates the expression, and if that is true, then this message executes. If that expression is false, then this message executes. Okay, and here we can, so in the message is right, we do have true or false. True means this expression is true, false means this expression is false. Now whatever the message is messaging, whatever the message we want to display, if the expression is true, we can configure it here. And if we do not want to display any message, if the expression is true, then we can also deactivate it. Okay, now right now we just need one message if the age is less than 18 years, right? So for that, what I will do is, first I will have this have this expression here. So it will be called it will be if our formula, okay, I think the name was formula itself, right? If formula is less than 18, right? So that's it. This is our expression for now. So what will happen is, if okay, let's make it opposite way for now. Okay, so if this formula is greater than 18 years, right, it means we are not going to display any error. But if it is false, means age is less than 18 years, then we will display the error here. So we can say, let's say, sorry, your age should be greater than 18 years. Okay, and here you can tell what type of message it will be. Success means it will be appearing in green color. Warning means it will be in yellow color. Comment means it will be kind of comments, and it will have the chat icon before it. And requirement means the error, so it will be appearing in the red color. Okay, so let's do this, and let's preview it, what happens. Okay, so right now it is appearing even we did not enter the date of birth. So to get rid of this, what we can do is, we can have a conditional view here, right? So it will only display if date of birth is not equal to empty or null, right? So let's go and preview this again. Okay, so you can see that is not here now. So let's go and have a date of birth which is less than 18 years. So that should be, okay, this one. Okay, so you can see this message is coming, right? And let's have some date of birth which is greater than 18 years. So you should not be able to see this message now, right? And let's do one more thing, just to show you how it works on the true, right? And if you see, right, this label is appearing here. This message one. I'll show you this messaging one, right? We do not want it, so we can check this checkbox. So let's say we want to display some message, even if this condition is true, right? It can be maybe a comment, or it can be a warning. So let's say if you want to display him a warning that we will be, or you need to present your date of birth proof while entering. Okay, if you want that, you can also do that, and let's preview it now. Okay, so let's give it a date of birth which is less than 18 years. Something happened. Okay, let's go back and check. Oh, sorry, this is not active, so I will make it active now, and let's check it again. Okay, so you can see now we are it's displaying the warning message, and if the date of birth is less than 18 years, then it will display the error message. Okay, so hopefully this is clear. This is very very simple stuff. You just need to provide a validation expression, If that expression is true, then this message appears. If that expression is false, then this expression happens. And you can set the messages. It can be warning, it can be error, it can be success, or it can be a comment. And you can of course activate or deactivate the messages. Right? Hopefully this is clear. If you have any questions, please drop the comments and I will try to reply. Thank you.